So I'm working on a Flash Gordon pinball machine that I borrowed to get the Squawk and Talk board running. Here's my Squawk and Talk board that I've created versus the Squawk and Talk stock soundboard. This one's even got more different rules than the others that I've got. I've got one set up here on the board, and I found out that the background noises change. So it looks like after you hit sound 250, it turns the background on, and anytime a sound or a voice plays, the background actually changes pitch up to 17 times and then starts over again. I'll show it to you by moving to a sound that is blank. There. Now every time this sound plays, it will increase pitch. Until it screams there at the 17th one. So every time a sound plays on this particular machine, the background changes pitch up to 17 times and starts over again. I don't think I'm going to implement that. That means I need 17 background files, and anyone that creates a background sound for this machine will have to create 15 different or 17 different background sounds, and I don't think that's a very good way of doing it. But thought I'd give you an update on the third machine that I'm working on, the Flash Gordon. So here's a first attempt with my Squawk and Talk replacement soundboard. All I did was put the files on the card and define them as sounds and voices. There's one part on here that's a little bit different. There's a beating sound and it says flash really loud. I changed that to a sound and a new type of sound type called no merge. And what it does is anytime another sound comes in, it terminates it. And I've noticed that when you play this game, it doesn't always get to the flash. It does the alarm part, but never gets to the flash unless it's not a lot going on. And it actually works pretty good if I define that new sound type on here. So let's give it a try and see what it sounds like. There's the coin up, kind of an interesting way to do that. Got the background noise kind of quiet. Whoop, gets stuck up there. It's kind of loud with the glass off. Hopefully you can hear it okay.